Hi, this is Mrs. Cashton, and I am here to show you how to set up your email and to write an email. There's also a PowerPoint or a slideshow to go with this, which you can look at as well to give you pointers on your email, but I just want to show you some things that isn't in the slideshow. So you're going to go to make a new tab. So you just press the plus to make a new tab, and then you're going to click on the little word Gmail. You may also see a little envelope that has an M in it for mail. That's also an icon for Gmail. Then it should come up something like this. And this is setting up your email. And the one thing I want to show you is to set up a signature. A signature is something that will always be at the bottom of your email, so you don't have to write it all the time. And you can put your first and last name on it, and it will always be in there. So I'd like you, when you're setting up your signature, to put your first and last name, your grade, and your teacher's name, so we know where you're from. So you're going to press Set Signature, and in this box, you can write your first and last name. And if you want to change, we'll highlight it. You can change. You can make it bigger. You can do all of those things. And let's see, you can write what school you're from if you want. Hey, 4th grade. And your homeroom teacher. You'd have to spell that correctly. So if you wanted to make it a color, you could change the color by clicking on this A with the underline. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can press Save Changes. So now when you're going to go to compose an email, you press this rainbow plus, and then you'll see that you're going to type your email right above where it says your name up here. So I'm going to write to, and once you start typing the last name of the person that you want it to go to, it should pop up. You can only email people in Norton school system. Subject, you need to write what you would like to talk about in your email. So maybe you want to talk about your reflex grade. And then you need to write hello, hi, or something. And a salutation. How are you doing? How are you doing? I hope you are well. I am wondering if you saw how well I am doing in my multiplication on reflex. Have a great day. And then you don't have to write your name because it's already in there. Then you're going to press send. Oops, where'd it go? Oh, there it is, down here. Down at the bottom, you're going to press send, and it will go. If you have any questions, send me an email. If you've read all this, I would like you to send me an email so I can get some emails. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.